Hi folks, welcome to MarineMax Miami. We're here in beautiful North Biscayne Bay. I'm here to show you our new 2025 Grady-White 456 Canyon. We're here in the transom of the Grady-White 456 Canyon. This boat was equipped with quad V8 450 horsepower XTO motors. It takes this boat right there in the 54, 55 mile an hour range. Great performance, powerful motors. If we look here, we have dual live wells, real large fish box that can be used for storage, as well as it's insulated as a cooler. We have a nice transom seat here. If you notice, we have dual dive doors with a ladder that you can transfer to either side. We're here in the aft area of the 456 Canyon. Notice this great seating arrangement. We have a nice bolster here, electric footrest. Notice here all the rocket launchers, standard from factory. We have a nice chest insulated here. So if you're sitting down here, you just get a drink while you're fishing, looking back. Some other cool features here in the Helm area of the 456 Canyon. You have a nice sink here with a shower. Let's go to the starboard side. And this side we have our Canyon electric grill and another cutting board. We have a refrigerator and a nice trash can. We're here in the center console of the Grady-White 456 Canyon. We installed dual Garmin 24-inch screens. This boat came from factory with the Helm Master joystick. From factory, we have the C-Zone system where we have all our controls here or in our GPSs. We have the Lumar bow thruster, Fusion radio with the upgraded sound system. The Grady-White 456 Canyon comes with quad seating. All four have footrest, nice bolsters, great seating, real comfortable chairs, great footrest. We're here in the bow of the Grady-White 456 Canyon. Notice this beautiful triple sun lounge, real comfortable. Look at this storage here. Great storage, goes real deep in there. It's insulated, self-bailing. These backrests are designed real well. So if you're forward seating right there, looking forward, or for a side seating style, we have dual tables that go down, turn this into a bed, or they go all the way down. The Grady-White 456 Canyon has a real spacious cabin. You notice the steps are nice and wide, easy to come in and out. It does have a nice 24-inch TV, rod holders for 4 fishing rods, nice granite countertop with a sink, a stove, nice sized bathroom with black granite table, great lighting, nice shower. Thank you for joining us here on the Grady-White 456 Canyon. If you need any more details on this particular vessel, you can look us up at www.marinemaxmiami.com, or you can call me directly, Naheem at 786-327-9175. See you soon.